in Home Depot. I told you guys I wanted to move my office downstairs, so that's exactly what we're doing. We were gonna build shelves, but I'm going with one of these racks actually. The white one right here. So yeah, I'm racking the whole downstairs instead of building shelves and having to drill in the wall. Let me show you guys the shelves that I'm gonna get. So these are the shelves, going with white. I believe they only have 2 white left, so I might have to do a silver, which is completely fine, even though I would like them to all be white, but yeah, silver. And this is what it looks like. That's the cost. He's always the one that's like, vlog this.
Yes.
Vlog this.
She's always the one that tells me you need to be vlogging.
Yep, you do need to be vlogging.
I know. No, and I am. Yes, Leo. Hey, Leo, hold the car. I need your hand. Hold the car, all right? Don't let him move. See? My son's a good helper. He's only 3 years old.
Good job, Leo.
You're right there, okay? Now hold it again, because I'm going to put this one. Okay?
Hold it.
Good. Don't let it move.
Hey,
Hold it, 2 hands, 2 hands. Good.
He's a hey, don't Ta-da! Time to unload.
Love you like cook food.
go.
Instead of walking down all those steps, that would have been hard to walk down the steps.
She brought the horse right to the water.
Yes.
Stop. Stop.
Okay.
Over and check up on it. Got it, flown it. Oh, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Why do you want it?
Okay, guys, so the boxes are in. I gotta get a quick second to recuperate myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up down here and set up these shelves. I think I might put them on this wall and just move those somewhere else. I don't know where, but somewhere else. So yeah, let me get myself together and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, you guys, so I have most of the room cleaned. The shelves are going against, like the wire shelves, racks, thingies, going against this wall. I have to take those off, but this is how the room looks right now that it's clean. I actually want to paint this black. That's like a stove, like a heating stove, like you put fire in there and it heats the house. So yes, this is where we at so far. I'll come back to you guys once I'm done more. I wish I could paint this entire room pink, but white is gonna have to do for now because I don't want more work for myself. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, we have a lot of progress. I actually built one of these like wire shelf things live on Facebook. If you guys are not following me on Facebook, follow me on Facebook because I go live on there every day at 6 o'clock. What time is it? Ah! Be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back from my live video again, live 6 o'clock, maybe 6:30 every day. So as you guys can see, the shelves are in place and I started filling the shelves. You guys started. This is not everything. I still have more stuff to put on the shelves upstairs, but I also have this rack left to build. As you guys can see, there was no space here, so I'm gonna have to put it as an L. I do need this shelf because I have more stuff, so it's gonna have to be an L. It's gonna make the room look smaller, but I don't have anywhere else to put it. So yeah, that's... If you don't stop licking my leg, Posh. Stop licking my leg. So yeah, this is the other side, as you guys can see. I had this desk down here forever. This is like a makeup desk. I don't know where to put it, so I just put it in that corner for now. The dog is looking at me again. I just put it in that corner. So yeah, makeup here, jewelry, some boxes, more jewelry. You guys, this is the setup for now. We have this couch here that I need to move. This couch came from the Airbnb. I need to sell this thing on Facebook or something because this is just taking up space. I could put something else there. I also have those little pink cubicles that I didn't put up yet. I don't know if I'm gonna put them there or what, you guys. This is like a long process, and I don't know where to put what, but I'm trying to figure it out. But for now, this is fine. I can actually work in this. I still have stuff that I need to move from upstairs downstairs, which is what I'm about to do right now. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. Again, this is a few of the products that I've put here, just a few of them. And if you guys were not aware, I'm going to be adding more apparel. So I was planning on putting the apparel here. That's why I know I have to build the other shelf because I don't have room for that. I want like a decent chunk for the apparel because I plan on keeping them like really in stock. So yeah, that is today's update. So I wasn't going to show you guys how this room looks because it's a complete disaster, but a part of moving is actually making a mess so that you're able to throw stuff out and organize. So this room is completely trashed, stuff all over, but I'm literally going through it now, throwing stuff away that I'm not going to be using, pointless stuff that is old. So yeah, this is a part of moving. This is not the pretty part. Okay guys, so this is going to be pretty much the last update on how the office now looks. I am completely satisfied with how it looks now, except for this fire stove. Definitely going to be painting that black to make it look brand new. But we are obsessed with this new setup, you guys. I still have to bring my pink cubicles down, and that's it. Everything else is down here, and the rest of the product has to be brought down, but everything else is pretty much done. New apparel is going to be going here. This is my little desk setup, which I am completely obsessed with. So, last update, new office. Hope you guys love this new setup. I know I do. And then we have some wigs here. So yeah. Catch you guys in the next vlog, which will be next week. Thursday's video is going to be an educational video, you guys. Stay tuned.